Hariom, myself Acharya Yogeshwar from Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Dr. Hedgewar Nagar, Bharuch, Senabithia. You are welcome in the classes of biology for class 9. Today we shall study about different types of diseases in the chapter Why Do We Fall Ill? We are not only body, but we are also mind. So illness takes place in these both parts, body and mind. That's why we can classify all the diseases in two categories: the diseases related to our mind and the diseases related to our body. The diseases related to our mind is called mental disease or mental disorder. Excess of anger, anxiety, fear, some unusual perceptions. These are different types of mental diseases. You might have seen the movie Chandramukhi. In that case, the heroine Chandramukhi is suffering from a mental disorder, schizophrenia, and this is a mental disorder. On the other hand, there are many types of physical disorders, physical diseases. There may be many ways of classification of disease. Among them, there are diseases which a person gets by birth. That disease comes with him by birth. Such diseases, such inborn diseases are called congenital diseases. These diseases are inherited. It means these diseases are related to our chromosomes and our genes. Those congenital diseases which are caused by gene mutation are kept in one category, the diseases caused by gene mutation, and there is another group of congenital diseases which are concerned to chromosomal mutation. Hemophilia, color blindness are the examples of the congenital diseases caused by gene mutation, and the diseases just like Down syndrome and Klinefelter syndrome, these are the diseases caused by chromosomal mutation. But there are diseases which a person gets after birth. The cause is not in the genes. Such diseases are called acquired diseases that a person acquires after birth. These acquired diseases can be further classified in different ways. Among them, one is that is called the diseases which are transmitted from one ill person to the other. Such diseases are called communicable diseases. But the diseases which a person acquires, but that disease is not transferred to other person, is non-communicable disease. Flu, that is influenza, smallpox, chickenpox, malaria, such diseases are transferred from one person to the other. So these diseases are communicable diseases, but deficiency diseases, just like beriberi, kwashiorkor, marasmus, obesity, allergies, cancerous diseases, these are not transferred from one person to the other. So these are non-communicable or non-infectious diseases. The communicable diseases are all caused by pathogens. All the communicable diseases are caused by pathogens. Pathogens, you have learnt in class 8. Pathogens are the microorganisms which cause diseases. For example, malaria is caused by Plasmodium vivax. Typhoid is caused by Salmonella typhi. AIDS is caused by HIV. Such diseases are communicable and such diseases are infectious. These infectious diseases can be classified in different groups on the basis of their pathogens. The causative agents, causative pathogens. As for example, the diseases caused by bacteria are called bacterial diseases. The diseases caused by virus are called viral diseases. A very common disease, very badly affecting corona virus or COVID-19 is causing corona. This is a viral disease. The diseases caused by fungi are called fungal diseases. The diseases caused by protozoans are called protozoal diseases or protozoan diseases. The diseases caused by the helminths are called helminth diseases. So these are different categories on the basis of which group of pathogen is causing. There may be another way of classification, that is called mode of transmission. How do these pathogens go from one person to the other? If the communicable diseases are spread from an infected person to the other by actual contact, that is body to body contact, is called contagious disease. That is the disease caused by transmission, caused by infection due to body contact. This body to body contact may be active or passive. There are some examples of diseases: AIDS, hepatitis, smallpox, chickenpox, leprosy, measles. These are contagious diseases. If there is sexual contact between two persons, among them one is HIV positive and other is HIV negative, then this act causes transmission from one person to the other. This is active physical contact. But if a person who is HIV positive, by any chance, his body fluid, just like blood, comes in the contact of the other person, either by blood transfusion, either by needle of injection, either by a blade of razor, or any other such means, then this is passive contact, and in this way that disease is transmitted from a sick person to the other. This type of disease is called contagious disease. But there are some other diseases which can spread from one person, that is sick person, to the other person by any other agent. The agent may be a living thing or non-living thing. Such a non-contagious disease spreads from an unhealthy person to healthy person or other person. This is non-contagious disease. As for example, tuberculosis, ascariasis, typhoid, cholera, these all are non-contagious diseases. But whatever be the case, contagious or non-contagious, these both the diseases are infectious diseases, because these all are caused by pathogens, and so they are communicated from one person to the other. So these are some different types of diseases. Later we shall learn some more types of diseases in the next video. For that time, keep at home, stay at home, but do study. Do not afraid of any disease, but keep yourself clean and calm.